Welcome to AutoText, your ultimate solution for no-effort marketing. Are you tired of spending countless hours crafting marketing emails? Say goodbye to that struggle, as AutoText's revolutionary platform automated content generation, reducing costs and boosting efficiency. Start by signing up or logging in to your account. Once you're in, let's explore the magic of AutoText. Navigate to the Email Copies section conveniently located in the left side menu. Let's dive into professional welcome email generation. Imagine effortlessly crafting business-related email replies in just a few clicks. Customize your content. Choose your preferred language, then provide the topic name, topic description, and select the desired tone for your email. Now, it's time to sit back and watch AutoText's powerful AI show its magic. The system generates multiple content responses tailored to your input. Choose from a plethora of options. Browse through the generated content responses and select the ones that resonate with you the most. With your carefully chosen content in hand, it's time to transform your welcome emails into attractive and professional emails. Experience the future of standard marketing with AutoText. Visit www.autotext.app to start your no-effort marketing journey today.